Hi and welcome back. I'm so excited that you decided to stop by today and celebrate Trinity Stamp's latest release. And I'm so happy to be here, a part of this amazing video hop. And the next person in line is Jenny, and I will have her linked the first thing after me. So make sure that you are commenting and liking so you have a chance to win a gift card at Trinity's. So I just wanted to start by mentioning this, and you can see I already started hot foiling this beautiful new die from Trinity called Sakura Bloom, and it's a hot foiling die, really beautiful. And you can see I also showed you how you can foil the over part as well, the exit part or the leftover bit, I don't know what to call it. But for my project today I will only use the embossed part here. So I will create my own background using the larger floral cluster here on top of a really light blue card panel that I just cut to size, and I will glue this down just using whatever liquid I have nearest to me on the desk, and then I will cut off the exit parts here. And then I will use this beautiful die. This one is called Dainty Heart, and it also comes with a hot foiling die that says Love You. And I will hot foil that on top of my inner heart here. So you can see you can bend those apart so you have an outer scalloped heart as well as a solid heart on the inside. And I will do this in some matte gold cardstock, and you can see how beautiful that is. I will mount them together, and now I will build my card. I actually tried hot foiling it directly onto top of the vellum, but it didn't stand out enough, so I did it once more on this same light blue cardstock. So I'm just gluing this in place, popping this up with even more dimension. I just love dimension on projects. I think it really finished a card out. And then I will of course peel off all of these off. I'm sorry that I didn't speed this through even more. And I will press it down on top of our card. And that is our first card for today. I just love all that gold sparkle in the background. And for my second project I just colored in some of the flowers. These are the smaller arrangements. And then I will build around my heart here. You can see I also hot foiled the same sentiment on top of this one. And I'm just using some low-tech adhesive to adhere this down to my panel, or to my heart I should say. And then I can take, this is really a cheat sheet for not having to hot foil another flower. I will just create my cluster like this, gluing it down. Love it, so pretty. And I will take some more adhesive to the back side of this. Then I can peel away my tape there. So here is also a really beautiful cover plate. It's also actually meant for hot foiling, but I impressed it into the cardstock instead. And then I have a beautiful texture to the background of my project. So my two projects are finished for today. Don't forget that this is a part of a video hop, so check that out. I will have the links down below, and of course all the products links are also down below. Stay tuned for a close-up of this release. Until next time, have a great day. Hi, thank you for stopping by. I hope you liked the previous video that was a part of Trinity's video hop. And I would also like to share a quick look at some of the samples that I have from this release. So here you can see this cute stamp set. Tweet hearts, just a cute little set with coordinating dies if you like to pick that up. We also have this. So this one is called So Romantic. Super cute set. We have this one. This is one of my faves. This one is called Sucker for You. And then we have the bunnies, the New Year bunnies. So super sweet. I just love that. I think it's so adorable. I love the open design on these. 2023. Can't believe it's already 2023. God, time flies.
Wheel Cool. You can see this, super cute. Will You Be Mine? Speeding by to say happy birthday. I just love that font, by the way. Some hearts and this racer truck thingy. And then we have some amazing hot foiling plates. So this one, I don't know the name of it at the top of my head, but it's the large one that was released today. Super beautiful. And here we have a heart. Also a hot foiling plate, which has a coordinating die so you can cut it out. Just love that design. And then we have a pack of florals with coordinating dies as well. Super sweet. A row of hearts, beautiful. We have some more hearts, swirl stitching, and sort of a lace. Just love that. Hot foiling plate, as well as coordinating dies and the shadow die. Love it. Happy New Year. A little pocket, and I should say an envelope with a letter, and you can see the embossing details on this. That is significant for Trinity. I just love that. It will probably fit. Let me see if I can grab. I had one. Like a card. And then last but not least, a lantern. So that was it for... No, sorry, that wasn't all. I had some more lurking in the back here. I also has this stencil pack with X's and O's. You can see how that will look. And then I also have this one that will coordinate with this one. So super, super nice. Enjoy! Thank you for stopping by.